On completion of this media presentation, you will know when parametric rolling occurs and how to prevent it. Vessel is steaming into seas with the waves about a point on the port bow. Wind increases, raising wave height, and the vessel starts rolling slightly. The wavelength reduces and encounter period starts to reduce as well. As the waves increase further and rolling increases, the natural rolling period of the vessel also increases. With increasing head seas, the vessel reduces her speed. This increases the encounter period of the vessel until it is about half the natural roll period of the vessel. The wavelength is now falling within 1 to 2 times the LBP. Occasionally, the vessel rolls heavily, 30 to 40 degrees. As the roll damping of the vessel reduces with speed, and the two factors, 1, natural roll period, becomes half the encounter period, and 2, length of the wave falls within the 1 to 2 times LBP, vessel starts rolling parametrically. Vessel now increases speed, thus changing the wave encounter period. Vessel alters course, bringing the waves more towards the beam, thus changing the natural roll period. The violent 30 to 40 degree parametric rolling begins to decay, leaving the ship to roll to its natural motion. Do not allow the vessel to roll parametrically the next time. Monitor weather conditions so that conditions which may suit parametric rolling can be identified in advance. Change the heading as soon as the vessel's natural roll period starts getting disturbed. Increase speed to shorten the encounter period.